Welcome back to Orange Track Outlaws, everybody. So tonight I am going to run the cars from all the winners of the bin races and see who's the fastest. The plan was to put them in line here with what you see is basically my top 100. I was going to go ahead and put all those racers from all the winners from the bin races in the top 100 and see where they fall, and I was just going to race them and rank them and put them in here. But I thought I'd go ahead and if I'm going to race them, might as well shoot it. So here's a quick look at my top 100. You can see the top line there are the best of the best. There's some fast cars in here, that's for sure. You can see in there in that top left corner, current number one is the Lambo, and then the F40, and then our number 3 is our funny car. But I know we got some other cars here which ought to be able to I know one of these are going to take that third spot. There's some fast cars right here. I already got them grouped up. I'm going to do 4 races. The first one's got 5. We got 4, 4, and 4. And then we'll just take the best and race them, and then we'll kind of put them in order. But I thought you guys might want to know who the fastest out of the bin races was, so we are going to find out right now. So let me get them up on the track and we'll get started. So race 1, here we go, up and ready. In lane 1 we got the Cadillac C16 with the bling wheels. Lane 2 we got the Havoline Stalker. In lane 3 we got the Gazella GT. In lane 5 we got the Baby Boom. In lane 6 we got the Flat Out 442 in blue. Let's see who we got here. These cars are all fast. They also ought to be some good races, but I don't know who to go with. I think I'm going to take that old school 442. Let's race. Okay, race 1. 3, 2, 1. Oh, Havoline Stalker's out. Good. Got a winner. Oh, Havoline Stalker's out. Good. Got a winner. Okay, race 2's up and ready. Lane 1, we got the Hershey Funny Car. Lane 2, we got the Thunder Streak F1 Racer. Lane 5, we got the Spin King. In lane 6, we got the 55 Bel Air Gasser. Who we like here? I remember that Gasser was fast, but I think I'm going to go with the Hershey Funny Car. Let's race. Okay, race 2. 3, 2, 1. Look at that, Gasser's out. Spin King coming back. Wow, that was a shocker. Look at that, Gasser's out. Spin King coming back. Wow, that was a shocker. Okay, race 3 is up and ready. Lane 1, we got the Ferrari F40 in red. Lane 2, we got the 07 Shelby GT500. Lane 5, we got the Mitsubishi Eclipse Concept. In lane 6, we got the Dodge Viper. Who we got here? I don't know. It's hard to go against the F40. I'm going with that one. Lane 1's my pick. Let's find out. Let's race. Okay, race 3. 3, 2, 1. Wow, Ferrari F40 is out big on this one. Wow, Ferrari F40 is out big on this one. Okay, race 4. Here we go, up and ready. Lane 1, we got the fast 4-wheel drive. Lane 2, Lamborghini Sesto Elemento. Lane 5, we got another Gazella GT. And lane 6, we got the 09 F-150. We know that one's fast. Who we like here? I think that Lambo is quick. They were all quick. I'm gonna go with the F-150. Let's find out. Okay, race 4. 3, 2, 1. Oh, the Lambo! Wow!
Winner, lane 2. Winner, lane 2.
Okay, semifinals time, down to 4. Lane 1, we got the Lambo Sesto Elemento versus the Havoline stock car with the Ultra Hot Wheels. Alright, who you liking here? That Lambo is fast, but that Havoline all metal, that should be a good one. I'm gonna go with the stocker. Let's find out. Okay, semifinals, race 1. 3, 2, 1. Oh, look at that stock car out big on the downslope. Lambo come back, but couldn't do it. Oh, look at that stock car out big on the downslope. Lambo come back, but couldn't do it. Okay, semifinals, race 2, ready to go. Lane 1, Spin King. Lane 2, the red Ferrari F40. Who's going to take on the Havoline Stalker? I'm going to go with the F40. Hard to go against him. Let's race. Okay, semifinals, race 2. 3, 2, 1. Oh, the F40's out big. Wasn't even close. He's not big. Wasn't even close.
Winner, lane 2.
Okay, bin challenge finals. These are the fastest 2 cars out of all 17 of the bin challenge races. We got lane 5, we got the red F40. Lane 6, we got the Havoline Stalker with the Ultra Hot Wheels. Who's it gonna be? Who's it gonna be? 2 fast cars right here, I don't know. Both good on the downhill, both fast in the long run. This could be a coin flip. This is gonna be a good race. Let's go with the F40. It's hard to beat the F40. Let's find out though. Here we go. Okay, bin challenge finals. 3, 2, 1. Oh, what a good race. The F40 took it though. Havoline was first, the F40 come back. Oh, what a good race. The F40 took it though. Havoline was first, the F40 come back. Okay, well, no surprise here that the F40 is sitting on the pedestal. But here is our bin challenge champion, the red Ferrari F40 with the yellow 40 and the gold rims. It's a fast car. You know, in the earlier videos though, we did race against our best and it couldn't beat the best. But I guarantee you this is going to be a top 5 car, if not number 3, I'm guessing. But fast car, and that Havoline stock car, that's going to be a fast one too. That's probably going to be top 5, I'm betting too. But we're going to find out. I'm going to race them all and place them. and I'll show you where they all finish out when I'm done. But thank you guys for coming back and checking out another video. As usual, if you are not subscribed, please subscribe, and hit the like button and the bell to remind you when new videos come out. And if you got time, definitely check out some of my custom cars and some of the restorations I've done. Some cool stuff there. I got a lot of cool stuff here on the horizon that I'm working on and plan on working on. I got a couple Three Blind Mice builds coming up. A couple other challenges I'm working on, so just keep a lookout for some of them coming out. And I do have some more races coming up. If any of you are interested in the Hot Wheels ID cars, I think I'm going to do a race with all the first generation cars and see who's the fastest there. That should be fun. And I got a whole lot more of regular mainline castings. I got some fast stuff, some older stuff, some FTEs. So stick around, should be fun. Thanks again, guys. See you.